What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Scott from villagesvideo.com. Today we're going to be taking a look at Lake Okahumpka Park. Okay, you ready?
I didn't want to do this one.
You said you wanted to do this one, which is southeast of the Brownwood Square. Just a couple things before we get going. Do want to let you know Packers NFC Championship, that's twice in 2 years. Twice in 2 years. They are rolling. We'll see how good they do against the Bucks. Fingers crossed. We all know how Tom Brady is. Let me know who you got in the comments. Also, one of the other things is I want to make note of the fact that it's been an extremely cold winter here for a longer period of time, I feel like. Usually it only lasts for a couple weeks. This winter, I think it's been in the 40s for at least a month, or at least it feels like it. Let me know what you think about that. We're gonna go get into Lake Okahumpka. It's really cool. It's like a nature preserve area, tons of trails. You'll be able to see all of it. Let's go. Okay, so let me start out by first telling you that the reason why I think this park is so cool is because there's multiple things going on that you can do here. So if you have kids or grandkids that you want to entertain, this is a great area. They have a park that you just saw, the swing, the playground. They have volleyball nets. There is a 9-hole ultimate frisbee course, which a lot of people were actually playing while we were out there. There's multiple walking trails, paths. You can bike, you can boat, pretty much have it all. And you can actually see that's the entrance there. And Brownwood is about a mile away. You can see the Brownwood Bridge in the distance there, the golf cart bridge. You'll get some close-up views of these areas later, like that little marsh area that you're able to walk out on the dock and take a look around. There's tons of wildlife to see here. And then this is Lake Okahumpka. So you've seen videos in the past where we drive down the golf court or drive down the golf cart path or Megason Road, which kind of runs along Lake Okahumpka here. And we'll get close enough to the other side where you'll actually see where Megason and the golf cart path are. You can see the construction there in the distance, and the turnpike is up there as well. I just wanted to get a quick overview of the lake here for you so you'd actually know where we're at. We are headed east right now, and the park itself is down on our left here. That road there is Highway 44, which leads to the Chitty Chatty Bridge, and you can actually see that up in the distance there. So the Chitty Chatty Bridge spans over 44. So this is the north side of Lake Okahumpka as we're traveling east. This is not Village's property on this side. The water kind of creeps into these trees and comes around. You can take boats out here, and you can actually take canoes out. There were several canoes over there that you just call a number and they come and unlock them. I'm not sure if you actually have to set an appointment or if there's somebody available when the park is open to just run over and unlock them, but they are locked up. And then this is the eastern side of the lake, turning toward the south. You can see the Coleman area up there where that building is actually sticking up, and then right in front of us that is the turnpike and Megason Road running across the screen there. It's kind of weird seeing all this algae, and you can see the reflection of the clouds in the sky. Like I mentioned, it's colder, so the sky is crystal clear. But this lake, sometimes the algae is really high. I'm surprised it's high right now because it's kind of cold outside. But This is not the villages here on the left. That's a different neighborhood. And they have a little boat launch, let-in or inlet, whatever you want to call it, right there, where you can get into this little neighborhood as well. I don't think this is the villages. I'm pretty sure it's not. I guess it's possible, but I don't think it is. And just so you guys know, in all of these videos, these are just my perspectives of things. I am not an expert on this area by any means, so take my word with a grain of salt. So you can see straight ahead, that is the turnpike there. The Marsh Bend area, DeLuna, all those places are all on the other side of the turnpike there. And the construction's on this side of the turnpike. That's Megason Road, that parallels the turnpike. You can see all the traffic there. And as we come around the south side, we'll end up turning back and going back to the north. But this is just kind of to get your bearings for where we're at. I'm going to actually show you some of the trails coming up, so you'll be able to actually see what it looks like from the ground. Let's take a look at that. Okay, you ready?
I didn't want to do this one.
You said you wanted to do this one.
No, this one.
Yeah, that's a small slide.
Whee!
Hopefully you enjoyed this video. As always, if you did, go ahead, give us a thumbs up, smash that like button, give us a subscribe, and as always, we will see you in the next one.